The terrifying truth behind the 1977 WOW signal, August 20th, 1977. A quiet night at Ohio University's Big Ear Radio Telescope. Just another night of scanning the sky, listening for the whispers of the cosmos. But then, something impossible happened. A powerful 72-second radio signal blasted through the receiver, so intense, so unnatural, that astronomer Jerry Eman, upon seeing the data, could only scribble one word beside it: wow! But what was it? A mistake? A freak cosmic event? No. The truth was far more unsettling, because this signal wasn't random, it wasn't natural, it was a message. And inside that message was something that no one was prepared for: a hidden code, a warning, a countdown, a date, 2027. For decades, the world's most powerful space agencies, governments, and secret organizations have known the truth about the WOW signal. They've studied it, deciphered it, and worst of all, they've hidden it from us. Because this message wasn't just a greeting. It was a signal of something coming. Why was the WOW signal so unique? Space is full of noise. Telescopes pick up signals all the time, natural radiation from stars, pulsars, cosmic explosions. But this was different. One, it was too strong. The signal's intensity dwarfed any known natural radio waves. Two, it never repeated or was buried. Scientists searched the same spot for decades, but the signal was never heard again, or so they claim. Three, it contained a pattern. When decoded, the frequency revealed something terrifyingly precise, a structure eerily similar to human DNA. How could someone out there, know our genetic code? 1983, the second signal that was never revealed. 6 years passed. Then, in 1983, something even more chilling happened. A classified NASA research station picked up another signal. This time, there was no doubt. The signal carried a direct message. The final stage is beginning. And within the transmission, buried in the frequency, was something even worse: a timestamp. 2027. NASA shut everything down. Governments were briefed. The world's most powerful leaders gathered for an emergency summit. The contents of that meeting? Sealed, classified, erased from history. But not everyone stayed silent. NASA's secret meetings and the DNA connection. Years later, a former NASA scientist, Dr. Robert F. Grayson, leaked a disturbing report. He had been in the room when the truth was uncovered. And according to him, the WOW signal contained 3 shocking revelations. 1. The message contained precise data about human DNA. 2. It warned of an impending event that would change Earth forever. 3. It hinted that Earth had been visited before, and that our evolution might not have been accidental. But how could a radio signal carry DNA information? Dr. Grayson's findings suggested that the WOW signal matched sequences found in the mysterious unused portions of human DNA, areas that geneticists call junk DNA because they don't seem to serve a function. Or maybe they serve a function we weren't meant to understand. Was the WOW signal sent to activate something in us? What if the signal wasn't just a message? What if it was a trigger? Scientists have long been baffled by the fact that over 97% of human DNA appears to do nothing. But some researchers believe this so-called junk DNA is actually dormant coding, a hidden instruction manual waiting for the right signal to be activated. Was the WOW signal the key? And if so, what exactly is going to happen in 2027? Ancient civilizations and the WOW signal connection. The implications are terrifying. Because if the WOW signal really was meant to activate something in our DNA, it means that whoever sent it has been watching us for a long time, perhaps since the beginning. The Mayan calendar predicted a great transformation, but was the date miscalculated? Could 2027 be the true turning point? Ancient Sumerian texts speak of gods who descended from the stars to alter humankind. The Great Pyramids are mathematically aligned with Orion's belt, an area suspiciously close to the source of the WOW signal. Could it be that ancient civilizations knew something we didn't? 2027? What's coming? If the hidden timestamp in the WOW signal is accurate, we are now only 2 years away from whatever is supposed to happen. And whatever it is, governments are already preparing. Recent leaks suggest that 1. The world's elite have been briefed on an imminent change. 2. Secret underground facilities are being expanded worldwide. 3. Strange genetic modifications are quietly being developed under classified research programs. Are they trying to prepare us or control us? Because if the wow signal was sent to trigger something inside us, we may not be human in the way we think we are. And in 2027, that truth will be revealed. The final warning. For decades, they've tried to hide it. They dismissed it as just a random radio wave. They buried the 1983 signal. They silenced those who spoke up. But now, time is running out. Something is coming. And soon the world will know. The wow signal was never just a greeting. It was a countdown.